Standing under a Green Gage plum. This is a 500-year-old variety from France, named after the wife of the King of France, Reine Claude. In France it's known, but here we know it as Green Gage. It's a yellow greenish plum. They're not the prettiest of plums, but one of the best flavored. In fact, we were in France several years ago staying in a little charming little village in the central France, and the whole village had the festival of the Green Gage plum. Well, they call it Reine Claude. Just celebrating the wonderfulness of this particular plum variety. And what's wonderful about it is its fragrance and flavor, not its looks or size, obviously, but just has the best eating flavor, quite unique, and also used in plum jams and that sort of thing. It's a wonderful freestone plum. Makes great jams, and I think it's the best plum for jam making, and my favorite for fresh eating as well. It's also a self-fertile tree, very productive, very dependable, easy to grow variety.